A new development in the growing military partnership between Russia and Iran is raising serious questions across the Middle East. Reports indicate that Russia has been supplying Iran with Shahed-type attack drones, but these may not simply be the same Iranian drones that Russia used earlier in the war in Ukraine. Instead, Russia appears to have developed and modified the original Iranian design, adding improvements in navigation, electronic warfare resistance, communications, and potentially propulsion. If these reports are accurate, Iran could be receiving a weapon that has been shaped by Russia's battlefield experience in Ukraine. And that raises a critical question. Could Russia's upgraded Shahed technology give Iran a new advantage against Israel, the United States, and other regional forces? Today we examine what is known, what remains uncertain, and why this drone partnership could become one of the most important military developments in the region. From Iranian Shahed to Russian Iran. To understand the story, we first need to go back to the origins of the Shahed drone. The Shahed 131 and Shahed 136 are Iranian-designed one-way attack drones, often described as loitering munitions or kamikaze drones. Russia began using Iranian-designed Shahed drones extensively during its war against Ukraine. But Moscow did not remain dependent on imported Iranian drones. Russia established domestic production in Tatarstan, where the Iranian design was manufactured under the Russian name *Jiran. Over time, Russia began modifying the design. According to research from military analysts, the Russian-produced Giran II incorporated changes in materials, navigation, control systems, and electronic warfare resistance. Russia's experience using these drones in large-scale attacks provided something extremely valuable: real battlefield data. Every successful strike, interception, electronic jamming attempt, and failed mission provided information that could be used to improve the next generation. That means the drone Iran may now be receiving is potentially the result of several years of combat adaptation. What makes the enhanced version different? One of the most important improvements is navigation. Modern battlefields are saturated with electronic warfare systems designed to interfere with satellite navigation and communications. A drone that depends heavily on satellite navigation can potentially be disrupted or diverted. Russia responded by developing more sophisticated navigation systems. One example is the Kometa family of satellite navigation technology, which is designed to improve resistance to jamming. Reports have indicated that Russian Giran drones incorporate such technologies. This matters because Iran faces a very different battlefield environment from Russia. Iran operates in a region where Israel and the United States possess highly advanced electronic warfare, radar, air defense, and intelligence capabilities. A drone that is more resistant to jamming could therefore be significantly more useful than an earlier generation Shahed. A report by Le Monde, citing investigations into the drones, described Russian enhancements involving navigation and jamming resistance. Could Iran receive Russian-modified drones? This is where the story becomes particularly interesting. In March 2026, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said that Russia was supplying Shahed drones to Iran. Reuters reported his claim, while noting that the drones were originally Iranian designed, but are now also manufactured in Russia. Separately, the Wall Street Journal reported that Russia was sharing satellite imagery and drone technology with Iran, including components associated with modified Shahed drones designed to improve communications, navigation, and targeting. These reports suggest that the relationship may be moving beyond a simple buyer and seller arrangement. Instead, Russia and Iran could be exchanging military technology and battlefield experience. However, an important distinction must be made. Public reporting does not establish that every advanced Russian Garan variant has been transferred to Iran. So when we hear the phrase enhanced Shahed drones supplied to Iran, it should not automatically be interpreted as confirmation that Iran has received every Russian drone upgrade. The exact models, quantities, delivery routes, and operational status remain difficult to independently verify. So is Russia supplying enhanced Shahed attack drones to Iran?